This is the 33rd annual car show and sponsored by Dakota Western Auto Club from Dickinson. Do we have the key? Now, we're going to have the Pioneer Auto Club put together a car. Now, sir, what is your name?
Bryson.
Okay, Bryson, have you ever seen a car completely tore apart in a matter of minutes there it's running? Is that amazing? Okay, and do you realize that we're going to have you become a very important part of all of this? You see all those guys? You see them all with the jackets and stuff on like that? Well, here's the thing. They're not very responsible, and they would lose the key. So we would need somebody that's really responsible to hold on to that key and not lose it, and that's you. You said it, he said. Okay. Now, the other thing that you have to do is when that gentleman over there says, key, you give him the key, because you know without the key, the car won't run. Did you know that? Okay. So you got your job down? Wonderful. I would like everybody to know that the Pioneer Auto Club will assemble this car at a place of your choice for a very nominal fee. We're not cheap, we are nominal. All right, let me introduce the team to you. This team has practiced extensively one time, and they managed to get this car put together in 4 minutes and 16 seconds. Now, let's see what they can do this time. And we have, and by the way, hold your applause. Last time the applause went for almost an hour and a half. We don't need that. At the very end, one clap. At the very end, I'll give you the signal and we give them one clap. That's all they deserve. All right, here we have the team building a 1926 Model T. The guys that are in front with motor and transmission, Jerome Zimmerman and Steve Ellison. Front assembly, Steve Hillmoney and Corey Jurist. Rear assembly, Pat Bricky and Rick Stenjum. And your announcer, Don Rolla. Huh? What did I say? All right, Sutherland, you just advanced yourself. And the other guy I forgot, who's our floater, and I didn't have his name down here. Oh, where the heck did he go? He's very light to the sea. All right, we better get going. I forgot to say Tom. It's Tom. All right. We're going to go put this thing together in under 4 minutes. All right, guys? Everybody applaud on that now. Applause. Thank you. Here we go. Ready, set, go. Okay. I want you to help me watch the clock. You see how fast it's going? Now, when you see it get to 30, tell me. I'm going to get this up. Yeah, here it comes. Now, let me ask you a question. Are you a car guy? Do you like cars?
Yes.
What kind of cars do you like mostly? Ooh, good guy. Hey, we've got 40 seconds. We're at 43 seconds, and the rear end is almost in. We are way ahead of schedule. We may be approaching our... How fast do you think we're going to do it? Under 4 minutes?
I think so.
Okay, we're going to... And there they go with the front end. Front end? Uh-oh. And by the way, folks, if you see the guy underneath with his legs coming out and he's screaming, please let me know so we can call the ambulance service. We want to save the guy. He's in. And we have 4 wheels on the ground. That's pretty good. How much time do we have there? 1:25. We're at 1:25. Now, Henry Ford is the guy that got the old Tin Lizzie going back in about 1908. And it was a car for the masses. That's what this thing is. Did you know that? Car for the masses.
No.
We're at 2 minutes, boys. And this little car had a 177 CI 20 horsepower. It will get 24 miles to the gallon. Did you know that your car doesn't do much more than that? Today, and I said 1908. And this color, as you notice, was always black. Why was it black? Can you tell me why the car was black? Only black?
I don't know.
All right, my cohort doesn't know. But here I'm going to tell you. Black drives faster, and since they made a lot of cars really fast, it would drive faster. And it was cheap. Because you know how they made black paint in those days? You know?
I don't know.
He doesn't know that either. Well, here's what they did. They'd go around and pick up all the soot and collect soot and make black paint with it, so it's very inexpensive. We need a key! Oh my goodness, we're at 3 minutes flat. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to start. What do you think's going to happen now? Is it going to run?
Yes.
It's going to run. We got my cohort here telling me it's going to run. Oh, magneto on, stands away.